So the first ingredient you're going to need for this DIY hair mask is an aloe leaf. If you're not familiar with aloe leaves, they have this slimy gel in the middle, and I kind of just scoop that out and put it in a bowl because I will be heating it up later on so it breaks down. Aloe leaves are super healthy, and not just for your hair but also your skin, so I do actually rub this on my face from time to time. And they help reduce the look of acne scars. You can put it through the blender to break it down. Me, I don't mind a couple chunks in my hair because it comes out right away when you wash it. So I already had heated it up in the microwave for a couple minutes, and now I'm adding about a tablespoon of Jamaican black castor oil. I swear by this stuff, it works great, and it also helps with hair growth. Now that our DIY mask is all set, you're going to want to comb your hair completely. As you could tell, my hair is super dry from the summer and me not doing a mask for quite a while. I try to do this mask about once a week, especially in the summertime, because for some reason the humidity just dries out my hair. And the first part you want to focus on is your scalp. So I'm just massaging it in my scalp for a good 5 to 10 minutes. And I try my best to get every inch of my scalp because that's where it's going to work the most. And I have a lot of dandruff from time to time, and this actually calms it down. Every time I use this little DIY mask, my dandruff is like less dandruffy, if that makes any sense. I see less dry skin on my scalp from, I believe it is from, the black castor oil because it is an oil, and then also with the aloe gel, I feel like it adds a ton of moisture to your hair and it makes it so shiny. Like, aloe gel can be a conditioner by itself. And now I am leaving it in a bun, and also with my little hair toothbrush, I am using the rest of the product and just pushing it into my scalp with a toothbrush. And I did this updo because I'm going to go do laundry and a couple errands. So I kept this mask in all day and it doesn't smell. No one's going to know you have a mask in your hair. Sometimes I even wear this mask to work. So the longer you keep it in your hair, you will see a huge difference from using it from 1 hour to using it all day. I feel like you see better results when you use it for more than like 5 to 7 hours. And of course, with the leftovers, I'm not letting anything go to waste. I'm putting on my eyelashes and my eyebrows. So finally taking my hair down after having it with this mask all day. It is still sticky. It makes my hair really curly, but I honestly can't wait to wash it out because I know the results are always amazing, and there's just me being silly like always. So after washing it, it comes out super easy, you guys. This is how my hair looks with it being freshly washed. I did straighten my hair to show you how it looks when you straighten it the next day. This is how it ends up looking the next day when I straighten it, or even when I curl it, it looks really decent as well. But as for the end of the video, I want to add in a few disclaimers. So when it comes to hair masks or any kind of DIYs on YouTube, you need to think of this. Your hair is not going to come out exactly like how mine is or like how the other girl is. You have to think into consideration that everyone is different, everyone's hair type is different, so it all depends on your genes. My hair grows pretty fast and it's really long. 1, I take good care of it, and 2, on my mom's side, my mom's hair is down to her knees, and majority of the women on her side of the family has long hair, so I took after her. So you want to take your genes and everything else into consideration, there's no such thing as a miracle hair mask that's gonna make you grow inches overnight or fix your dry hair overnight. When it comes to this hair mask, consistency is more important than perfection. So keep that in mind, if not even just with this hair mask or when you're doing any kind of DIYs to yourself. Keep in mind, we are all different and you might not get the same results as the person that you just watched. So with that being said, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if this mask does work for you, please let me know through Instagram. I have my link down below if you want to add me on there, or just let me know throughout the comments under this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.